Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for expert drone comparisons and reviews. Helicopter. Today, we're putting DJI Mini 4 Pro versus DJI Mavic 3 head-to-head to see which drone offers the best value, performance, and features. Whether you need a compact flyer or a powerhouse for pro-level shots, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth drone comparisons and insights. Design and portability. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is an ultra-lightweight drone, weighing under 249 grams, making it highly portable and easy to carry. Its compact size allows users to fly it in areas with fewer restrictions, making it an excellent choice for travelers, casual drone users, and hobbyists. Despite its small size, the Mini 4 Pro still boasts a sturdy build and aerodynamic design for stable flight in moderate wind conditions. The DJI Mavic 3, on the other hand, is a larger and more robust drone built for professional aerial photography and cinematography. It features a more durable frame, advanced obstacle avoidance, and a higher wind resistance rating, making it better suited for demanding outdoor conditions. However, its larger size and 900g+ weight require registration in most regions and make it less portable than the Mini 4 Pro. Camera and imaging capabilities. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second and 48MP still images. It also supports 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles, making it a solid choice for content creators looking for high-quality footage in a lightweight drone. The Mavic 3 takes things to the next level with its dual-camera system, featuring a 4/3-inch Hasselblad sensor and a telephoto lens with up to 28x hybrid zoom. The main sensor captures 5.1K video at 50 frames per second and 20MP stills, with an adjustable aperture, f/2.8 f/11, for greater control over depth of field and low-light performance. This makes the Mavic 3 the preferred option for professional filmmakers and photographers who need the best possible image quality and versatility. Flight performance and battery life. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro has an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes with the standard battery and 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Its enhanced flight stability, improved wind resistance, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing make it a significant upgrade over previous mini-series drones. The Mavic 3, however, outperforms the Mini 4 Pro in flight endurance, offering up to 46 minutes of flight time. Its powerful propulsion system and advanced flight algorithms allow it to withstand stronger winds and cover larger distances, making it ideal for long-range aerial missions. Smart features and AI capabilities. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro includes Active Track 360 degrees, master shots, waypoints, and advanced return to home, RTH, providing users with intelligent flight modes for automated cinematic shots. Its new OcuSync 4.0 transmission system ensures a stable connection up to 20 kilometers, giving pilots greater freedom when flying. The Mavic 3 offers a more advanced suite of intelligent features, including omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, advanced RTH, hyperlapse, and enhanced subject tracking. The telephoto lens allows for remote subject tracking, making it a game-changer for wildlife and cinematic aerial footage. Its AI-driven functions are designed for professional workflows, ensuring greater creative control and more automated precision in flight and photography. Low-light performance and night photography. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro performs well in low-light conditions thanks to its f/1.7 aperture and dual native ISO, which help reduce noise and improve image clarity at night. While it supports night mode and HDR capabilities, its smaller sensor size limits its ability to capture extreme low-light details compared to larger drones. The DJI Mavic 3 excels in night photography and low-light shooting due to its larger 4/3-inch Hasselblad sensor and adjustable aperture, f/2.8 f/11. The higher dynamic range and larger pixels allow it to capture sharp, noise-free images even in dark conditions, making it the better choice for professional nighttime cinematography. Price and value for money. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro is a budget-friendly option for users who want high-quality aerial footage without spending a premium. With a competitive price point, it offers excellent value for travelers, vloggers, and hobbyists who need a feature-packed yet affordable drone. The Mavic 3, being a flagship professional drone, comes with a higher price tag, but justifies it with superior imaging capabilities, longer flight time, and professional-grade features. It is best suited for serious filmmakers, professional photographers, and enterprise users who need top-tier performance and camera quality. Wind resistance and outdoor flight stability. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is designed to handle moderate wind conditions, with a maximum wind resistance of around 10.7 meters per second, level 5. Its lightweight frame makes it more susceptible to strong gusts, but improved stabilization features ensure a smooth flying experience in most environments. The DJI Mavic 3, being heavier and more robust, offers superior wind resistance up to 12 meters per second, level 6. Its stronger motors and aerodynamic design provide greater stability, making it the better option for coastal flights, high-altitude shooting, and extreme weather conditions. Editing and post-processing flexibility. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro supports 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles, giving creators greater flexibility in post-production. While it provides good dynamic range and color grading potential, it does not match the depth and precision of a larger sensor. The Mavic 3 offers professional-grade D-Log and 10-bit ProRes on Cine models, making it the superior choice for filmmakers who require maximum control over color grading and post-production workflows. With its higher bitrate and more detailed color capture, it provides cinematic-level editing flexibility that professionals demand. Conclusion. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is an excellent choice for travelers, hobbyists, and content creators who need a lightweight, portable, and budget-friendly drone with impressive 4K video, smart tracking, and easy usability. The DJI Mavic 3, on the other hand, is a professional-grade drone built for filmmakers, photographers, and enterprise users who require top-tier camera quality, longer flight time, and superior wind resistance. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter. Which drone do you think is the better choice, the DJI Mini 4 Pro or the DJI Mavic 3? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more expert drone comparisons and reviews. See you in the next video.